In this video, I'm going to show you how to equally space vertices in Blender in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful trick when you want cleaner topology, more evenly distributed mesh points, or just a more professional-looking model without manually dragging every vertex one by one. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick Blender tips and tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open Blender and select the object you want to edit. Then press Tab to go into edit mode. Once you're in edit mode, select the vertices that you want to space evenly. You can click and drag to select them, or hold Shift and select individual vertices if you need to be more precise. Before we space them out, we need to make sure they're aligned in a straight line. To do that, press S to scale, then press the axis you want to flatten on, either X, Y, or Z, depending on your model. After that, type 0 and press Enter. This will flatten the selected vertices along that axis and put them in a straight line. Now that the vertices are aligned, the next step is to evenly distribute them using LoopTools. With the vertices still selected, right-click in the viewport. Then look for LoopTools and choose Space. This will automatically space the vertices evenly across the line. If you don't see LoopTools in the right-click menu, don't worry. That just means the add-on isn't enabled yet. Go up to Edit, then click Preferences and open the Add-ons section. In the search bar, type LoopTools. If it appears, simply enable the checkbox to turn it on. If LoopTools is not showing up there either, go to the Get Extensions tab and install it from there first, then come back and enable it. Once LoopTools is active, return to edit mode, select your vertices again, and use right-click, LoopTools, Space one more time. And that's it. Your vertices are now equally spaced in Blender. This is a fast and easy workflow that can save you a lot of time when cleaning up meshes or creating better edge flow. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Blender tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.